using these cool 1/4-inch studs, which is a wood screw on the other side at Home Depot. To connect the rod that I'm going to be using to hold the light, I took and got a coupler. It's a 1/4-inch coupler, and it's about a couple inches in length. Since the coupler is hexagonal, I can screw the coupler all the way down to where it stops on the stud, and then I can take and screw it in using my drill. I got a piece of 1-inch wide U-channel at Home Depot. It's 8 foot in length, and then I took and I bought a 16-foot LED strip, and it's a 4000 Kelvin or 4500 Kelvin, which is a natural white light only, because I want to be able to flick it on and it's always that white light. To finish this up, I got a piece of 1/4-inch rod, and I just took and cut it to length and put it through the fixture, and then secured it in place using some nylon lock nuts. Just doing a test run. The light looks fantastic. All I need to do now is take and trim off the rod to the length, and there we go. Looks pretty good. Still needs to get wired, but just wanted to show you guys how this is going to look.